वहाँ पे।
थोड़ा छांव वाला स्पॉट ढूंढ रहा है।
वो देखो पेड़ के पास, यू कैन पार्क हियर।
Hey guys, we are going at Occoneechee Mountain State Natural Area. This is the Occoneechee Mountain State Park area, and me and my wife Chanda and Nikki, we are going for the trek, hiking. Labeling, marking. It's a 2.2 mile hike, and you can call the trail where we are going. So this is our first hiking
together.
बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है ना? अभी स्टार्ट किया है, टाइम लगेगा, अभी धीरे 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 यूज टू होंगे हम लोग। तो इस समर में यही प्लान है, सारे हाइक्स करने हैं। चंदा तुम नहीं रहोगी तो मैं क्या करूँगा? अभी मैं यही सब करूँगा, हाइक, ट्रेल, कैंपिंग। Baby, look at me, baby. Baby, look at me. Eee. Hey guys, we are at Chestnut Oak Trail. We are going for the Overlook Trail.
What?
So I need to see map where we are going. Okay. But hey guys, see. This is the map, because in the state park we should use offline map also, or this type of the paper map, because somewhere you cannot get the network, so that's why. It will help to reach base. Hey guys, we have changed our mind, so we are going for the longest trail in in this loop. This is the Occoneechee Trail, 2.2 mile. So here we can see boat trail, Overlook, and same Occoneechee. So that's why we have decided for the long route. So it's a 2.2 miles. So nearby 3.5 kilometers. So in this trail we can see some rock formation. We'll see rock form, three of this route.
Longest way.
Yeah.
We can, look the rock formation on our way.
Here's the some like I didn't see saw the one lizard.
Lizard, yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know if it was a lizard, but it was crawling.
yeah. So there's the highway, you can see that, and we are just next to highway, so it's a safe for the beginners, and it's a good trail for the beginners also. Beginners can learn more things with this trail and hike. And we are, as a beginner, that's why we started from this trail. I did some mountain trekking in India, and mountain hiking also, but here it's my second time. First time was I did Bear Lake in Colorado. Last year I went there, and yeah, I need to upload those videos, Colorado videos. It's too late. It's 1 year late. Yeah, I was busy in some work, so I didn't get that time. But now I thought, I decided to learn new skill set for the vlogging and videos, how to edit, how to merge the videos and optimize the videos. So those things I'll do here at this time, and I'll start to upload all my previous experience and traveling videos. So from this time you'll get not regular, but you'll get
You will get the frequency in our videos.
Yeah.
To upload.
So okay, now you can see the formation, it's just a beginner trail, so it's good for us for now, because I did some type of the trails and hiking, but she didn't.
I did not. This is my first.
No, you're telling me you did in the Utah or somewhere,
I did not go in there.
or Boise.
No.
No, this is your first time.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys. Since later, you can enjoy this view.
Baby, look at this. This is not the actual pathar rock. देखो ये थोड़ा सा different है.
Huh? This is the rock formation. See, guys, it's a white marble type stone. So it's a marble. Yeah, it's a marble.
It's not the rock. Actual.
No, it's a rock, but rock is also marble.
But this is a different formation of rock.
Yes. So you can see here little differences. See, coloring. It's a green, red, pink, brown, golden. All the colors you'll get that here in one rock. It's a million years old rock formation. That's why it's different. Hey guys, again we are here to see first rock formation. It's a small, see, but it's natural. Nowadays anything
तुम्हें फोटो क्लिक कराना है लेकिन
could be made by humans, but this is the natural.
This is not.
Million, billions years like older. This is the way we are coming, and we are going on that way. Now we are a little bit far from the highway, so we cannot see the highway.
बैठ जाओ खड़े हो जाओ इसके ऊपर जाके जाओ बेबी कुछ निकलेगा तो नहीं अंदर से
नहीं.
क्योंकि मुझे भी लेंगे इसका फोटो
Hey guys, we are again. We are now mid of the loop. It's uneven ways, paths, so you learn more things here. Because I don't like organized trails. This is the unorganized, little semi-organized. So this trail, like we can call this semi-organized, not a organized trail. No?
uneven
Yeah,
path
uneven
or trail,
and
say.
unorganized also. Because in the US they always organize the path with the boardwalk and this type of the things. But here it's looks like natural. You want to say something?
I'm a little exhausted, but that's okay.
Yeah, this is first time for her, not me, but it's okay. Now we're going downhill then we'll go up hill. Hi.
Hi.
But she's learning new things. It's we are feeling hard just because of our shoes, because
There's insect inside my eyes.
we are using normal shoes like running shoes or training shoes.
Can you check my eyes?
Guys, 1 minute. Here in this type of the trail in US, I don't know about India because I didn't get any.
They're
Where?
marked with the
Here's they marked with the
same.
red marking or white marking or blue marking, so you'll get the route map. You can recognize that and you can continue your trail. Hey. Hi.